I'm Cindy Wall and I'm the postgraduate coordinator of the Clinical Masters program, and I'm also one of the supervisors here at the Wellness Centre in the Psychology Service. So the Psychology Service that's provided out of the Wellness Centre is the students' first placement. It's one of 3 that they do in their postgraduate training, and it really prepares them for going out and working with the community. So it's their very first interaction with clients, doing assessments and learning all those professional skills that are really important to make them work ready when they finish their degree.
My study experience has been really great. All the staff here are really supportive. It's really great to have an on-site clinic to be able to do our internal placement. We have a great test library as well, which gives us opportunity to really get to know resources before going off on external placement. And we also have regular group supervision and meetings with our peers as well, so we get that support that way.
At the moment we're offering services for all ages, from age 6 up into adults and older adults, and they're both therapy and treatment services. It's a very low cost service for the public, so knowing that lots of services at the moment are being highly utilised in the community, we're hoping to ease some of that burden by providing that service here and give the students really important training.